If you've watched my video on the 5 best beaches in Sussex County, Delaware, get ready for another reason Delaware should be on your bucket list. Welcome to the 35th Annual Rehoboth Beach Jazz Festival. After watching this video, you will know why the Rehoboth Beach Jazz Festival is one of the premier jazz festivals in the country. It is the heartbeat of jazz by the ocean. Watch and listen. The rhythm, the soul, and the unmistakable spirit of jazz have been captivating audiences for over a century. Born from the cultural fusion of African, Caribbean, and European sounds, jazz took root in the heart of New Orleans and began to spread across the United States. As its popularity grew, the idea of jazz festivals appeared, offering jazz lovers a chance to immerse themselves in the music and experience legendary performances. The first recognized U.S. jazz festival was the Newport Jazz Festival in 1954. George Wine helped bring to life this first ever jazz festival in America and set the stage for a tradition that would change the cultural landscape. The Jazz Festival became a platform for voices advocating for social change. Outspoken musicians such as Max Roach, Nina Simone, Charles Mingus, Abbey Lincoln, Miles Davis, and others set a powerful precedent, one that continues today. Since then, jazz festivals have become cultural mainstays, celebrating the history and evolution of this uniquely American genre. Now, fast forward to the quaint oceanfront town of Rehoboth Beach, Delaware, 1989, and 35 years ago, a small but visionary group of jazz lovers saw the potential to bring the magic of jazz to the shores of this vibrant community. What began as a modest event has since blossomed into one of the premier jazz festivals in the country. The Rehoboth Beach Jazz Festival was founded on the belief that music has the power to bring people together. And that belief has held strong throughout its 3.5-decade history. Each year, it welcomes an array of world-class musicians to the stage, from Grammy Award winners to up-and-coming artists destined for greatness. The festival takes place in mid-October, extending the town's tourist season and giving jazz lovers one more reason to visit this idyllic beach town before the chill of winter sets in. Imagine the sun setting over the Atlantic Ocean, a warm breeze blowing through the crowd as the first notes of a saxophone fill the air. This is the magic of the Rehoboth Beach Jazz Festival. The festival isn't confined to one single venue, but is spread across several stages in Rehoboth Beach, Lewis, and Dewey Beach, each offering its own unique vibe. Concerts are held in intimate theaters, outdoor pavilions, and local restaurants, ensuring that there is a venue and atmosphere for everyone, whether you are a die-hard jazz enthusiast or a casual listener. When you retire to southern Delaware from big cities like New York, Philadelphia, or Baltimore, to name a few, you're looking for a certain level of entertainment, and the Rehoboth Beach Jazz Festival delivers. Today, the Jazz Festival is known far beyond the Delaware coast. It has gained a reputation as a must-visit for jazz lovers, regularly drawing crowds from across the country and beyond. Over the years, the festival has hosted an impressive roster of talent. It's no wonder attendees returning year after year to experience the unparalleled lineup. This year's lineup included the following musicians: Norman Brown, Brian Culbertson, Damian Escobar, Brian Simpson, Steve Oliver, Bob James, Najee, Reggie Harris, Keiko Matsui, Acoustic Alchemy, Rich Braun, Peter White, Gerald Albright, Boney James, 480 East, Art Sherrod Jr., Everett Harp, Jeff Lorber, Paul Jackson Jr., Jackie's Joyner, and many more. Just imagine listening to live music for 4 days, surrounded by good people and good food. The Jazz Festival brings a buzz to the town. Local restaurants and bars all get into the swing of things, offering plenty of jazzy vibes to complement their menu. For 4 days, the town hums with excitement, transforming from a laid-back beach destination into an entertainment hub for jazz enthusiasts. Here are a few snippets from this year's closing party. The food, so delicious. Every bite was a delight. Thanks to Jimmy's Catering and Rusty Rudders. It is not just about the music, though the performances are, without a doubt, the centerpiece. What sets this jazz festival apart is the community spirit that is infused into this event. The festival organizers work closely with local nonprofits, and some of the proceeds from ticket sales help support music education programs for young people. It's a festival with heart, dedicated not only to celebrating the past and present of jazz, but also to nurturing its future. If you haven't experienced the Rehoboth Beach Jazz Festival yet, what are you waiting for? Whether you are drawn in by the world-class performances, the oceanfront location, or the welcoming vibe of this small town turned jazz capital, one thing is certain: you're in for a jazzy good time. From smooth jazz to vibrant funk, there is something for everyone. So grab your tickets, pack your bags, and get ready to let the music take you on a soulful journey at the annual Rehoboth Beach Jazz Festival, where the rhythms of the ocean meet the rhythms of jazz. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you've enjoyed the rhythms. Please leave a comment, and subscribe. Keep watching, and safe travels.